Alright, we're back. More parts. Something small. Real small. If I had to guess, tappet covers. Who'd I get it from? It ain't tappet cover, I got it from this guy. He only has antique stuff. So I don't know what it is now. It smells like gas. Rotten gas. Maybe it's a fuel strainer or something, I don't know. No, it's round. Ah, gas cap. You can smell the gas, you know what it is. You know what that flavor is, you know it. This is going to be a K-model gas cap. Or a Sportster. Yep, that's what it is. Whew, that thing does stink. That was some, I'm going to put this outside and let it aerate out there. Whew, that thing is bad. Whew. So this is the large gas cap for the K-model tank and your Sportster turtle tanks. They also used them on the KR TT bikes for their fiberglass tanks. They use for the gas cap to use this big one. You put a big funnel in there and fill it up quick. So anything that's large volume, that's what these were for. So anyway, there you go. One K-model cap. K-model is a flathead Sportster type bike. You didn't know what it was. So these are 52 up to probably turtle tank goes up to about 70 is probably about the last year one, I would imagine. Maybe 69, for sure 69, maybe 70 was the last year, and then 77 they came out with one more year, XLT, and they used it again. But pretty much I think 70 might have been, yeah, they might have quit using it 69, I don't remember. Somewhere in that area. But definitely does stink though. Yeah, buy gas cap stuff, make sure you put it outside, it stinks. Alright, that's it for that one.